The Propel dissolvable sinus implant is designed to improve surgical outcomes for chronic sinusitis sufferers. Propel provides sustained release of anti-inflammatory medication directly to the sinus lining. The sinuses are air-filled cavities located within the bones around the nose and eyes that allow for natural ventilation and drainage. Sometimes the sinus linings become inflamed, blocking the natural drainage passageways, leading to chronic infections, polyp growth, and obstruction. This condition is called chronic sinusitis and affects 1 in 7 adults. Patients with chronic sinusitis often suffer from facial pain and pressure, headaches, nasal congestion, and loss of smell and taste. In persistent cases, surgery may be an option. The goal of the surgery is to enlarge the obstructed passageways, improving sinus drainage. Although surgery is effective in treating chronic sinusitis, obstruction of the newly opened sinus can occur due to recurrent inflammation, scarring, and polyp growth. These conditions may compromise the benefit of surgery and result in the need for additional surgical procedures and systemic steroids, which can have serious side effects. The Propel steroid-releasing implant is the first of a new category of products offering a localized, controlled delivery of anti-inflammatory medication to the sinus tissue. The Propel implant is placed in a surgically opened ethmoid sinus. Its spring-like design enables physicians to prop open the sinus and maintain the surgical opening. Propel delivers an anti-inflammatory medication called mometasone furoate directly to the sinus lining as the implant dissolves. The Propel steroid-releasing implant is clinically proven to maintain the opening created in surgery. In randomized clinical studies, Propel provided significant reductions in the frequency of post-surgical inflammation and scarring. For patients with chronic sinusitis, this means reduced need for additional surgeries and medication. Surgery opens the sinus. Propel keeps it open.